single solo parent and hardworking mom. Breaking news. What foreigners in the Philippines don't want you to know. Foreigners come to the Philippines with big dreams of romance, passion, and a picture perfect paradise wife. But the truth is shocking. Age gap Filipino relationships are rarely built to last. If you have ever wondered why the sparks burn bright but the fire burns out fast, so buckle up because in today's episode, I'm uncovering the real reason why so many foreigners walk away heartbroken, confused, and drained from these whirlwind romances. Why do foreigners pursue age gap relationships? Youth, beauty, energy, and a sense of admiration they no longer feel back home. Why young Filipinas are attracted? Financial stability, lifestyle opportunities, and social status boost. On the surface, it looks like a perfect exchange. But here's the reality. What attracts you in the beginning is not always what keeps you together long term. The lifestyle class of a foreigner in his 50s or 60s with young Filipino lifestyle always is because the foreigner seeks pace, routine, and relaxation. A Filipina in her early 20s is still curious, adventurous, and experimental in life. The mismatch of energy creates friction. She wants TikToks, nightlife, and social media attention. He wants quiet dinners, travel in the moderation, and home comfort. Eventually, both feel unsatisfied. There is a hidden timeline. Studies on age gap marriages worldwide show a high rate of short duration when the gap exceeds 20 years. In the Philippines, cultural expectations pile on top. Families depend on her for support. He feels used when money requests don't end. She feels trapped and he refuses. The romance timeline often runs in three stages. 1. Excitement and fantasy. Travel, gifts, newness. 2. Reality and frustration. Age shows, needs class. 3. Exit strategy. She leaves or he sends her back to her province. Foreigners' heartbreak stories. There are countless expats' heartbreak stories that share the same theme. She was sweet at 21, but at 25, she wanted the nightlife again. I provided everything, yet she ran off with a local her age. It lasted on 2 3 years before the drama drained me. Some foreigners swear of Filipinas altogether, while others jump right back and with another younger partner, repeating the cycle. The Filipina side of the story. Many young Filipinas honestly believe love can overcome the gap, but over time, she may feel she's living as a caregiver, not a partner. Her peers are getting married, having children with men their age. She questions if she sacrificed her future for short-term benefits. It's not always manipulation, it's regret, and regret leads to walking away. The reason why it's often short is because lack of shared life stage. Age gap too wide for evolving goals. Different expectations about money, freedom, and family. One feels drained, the other feels trapped. The end result is a short-lived, high-drama love story. The lesson for foreigners to remember. If you still choose an age gap, Filipina understand. It's likely not forever, but for a season. Don't give more than you're willing to lose. Be realistic. Romance is not the same as commitment. Are foreigner and age gap Filipina relationships doomed from the start? Not always, but the odds are stacked against them. What starts as fantasy often ends as a short lived drama. The question is, are you chasing a memory of youth, or are you ready for a relationship that grows old with you? That decision is yours. But remember, the clock is always ticking in an age gap romance. Thank you for subscribing and donating to my channel. We are family. See you next episode.